we got now?
One more thing to look at.
Oh, so this is pretty big too, isn't it? What have we got here?
This is just you being sensible, of course.
This is Sluban.
Sluban. Yeah, this is you saying, let's just have a look at some sensible stuff that'll fit on camera well.
Yeah,
Yeah, no
right.
worries, Beach. Let's just have a look at it.
Yeah.
So all they can see is a hat bobbing around behind.
There you go.
What are we looking at?
Who used to be like the hat bobbing around?
Dickie Nee.
That's him. Hey, hey, it's Saturday.
Hey, it's Friday afternoon.
That's it.
What are we looking at? Sluban Model Bricks.
Yep. So this is a Bismarck. So
Bismarck.
the Sluban Model Bricks are a very common size of brick, which is very much like Lego. So Lego and these bricks will interchange.
Yeah.
Or if you just like the process of putting together models like Lego, then this is your cup of tea. But this is one of the huger models they make.
It's sort of more scale though, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. And they make a lot of military models, which a Lego will never do. Have they done military before?
They're not scared to go there. In fact, I seem to think some of their box art is hilarious. Well, that's controversial. I can't say hilarious because people getting run over by tanks is probably not funny. But when it's like little brick people,
it's all right then. Passable.
Well, I don't know what to say, but it's.
How about quickly open it up? Let's pull out the tray and we'll show everyone how many bricks you get.
The what? The tray.
Yeah,
all right.
It opens up.
I don't know what to do.
So over here it tells you how many parts. How many does it say? I can't read that.
1849 PCS.
Really?
Don't lose it. Dan will shoot you if you lose one.
What do you mean? I'm not going to lose anything. You can trust me.
I trusted Finn too.
Did you?
Oh.
Look at all that. What we got?
Isn't this one? Didn't Dan start this one?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
I've lost something.
That's all right. Just a Samsung.
Oh, is that what it was?
No Samsungs were hurt during this production.
Sorry, it's just my phone. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at how many bits are in it. So you got all the bags. They're all numbered. Because basically you open up certain numbers in the assembly.
Oh, thank gosh. Because there's nothing worse.
You have to open absolutely everything.
Because that would do my head in.
Would it?
If I had to open 23 bags.
Yeah.
No. See, with RC cars, you get quite spoiled. They really make it quite easy, don't they?
They do.
So you have one page, one part bag, and then you work on it.
You can see how I talk about, very bricky, very Lego style. These all tend to be very slim bricks, right? I guess the slim bricks are the ones that will give you all the detail. You don't need anything chunky. Just the chunky ones, eh?
And it's got so much plastic in there, you can rustle that for days.
Oh, yeah.
No?
I'll be in luxury.
People at home will be like, they'll be salivating. They'll be thinking that you've got chips or something.
What's the plastic? All right.
You get the idea. It does have plastic bricks.
It does.
Have a look at the instruction booklet.
Yeah, it's pretty thick, isn't it?
No, the new generation wouldn't know what a telephone book is.
I just saw that little fishing boat on the back of the
Oh,
shark.
that's a future catalogue. That's a Titanic. We had that on display. We saw Sluban at the Toy and Hobby Fair, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
We had this fellow. That's your alter ego, is this fellow here. The nondescript yellow man.
Does that look like me?
With the brick head.
What you call me?
With the brick head.
You call me a brickhead?
Yep. I didn't. Hey, it comes with an alligator. Comes with an alligator brick separator.
Oh, it does too. Yeah, it's funny, isn't it?
Look at the instructions, very concise and detailed. Tells you what bag, tells you what colours.
That's cool. I like it.
Not for me.
Not for you.
Because you get to the end, and what if you're missing a piece? And then that's it. I'd pull my hair out.
No, just take it from somewhere else and just...
Well, that's even if I have hair. Most people wouldn't even know if I have hair. I just throw my hat off.
Well, you throw your hat off and the head's attached. Is that what you mean?
No, I'm just saying that I've always got my hat on camera.
Ah, is that what you mean?
Yeah, that's exactly what I mean.
All right, let's go back. I found some more weights.